Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my super easy and delicious pumpkin spice arroz con leche. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. To our pot over medium heat, we're going to add 6 cups of water, half a cup of sugar or your favorite sweetener. This is going to sweeten our rice from the start, so make sure you don't have to skip it. We're going to add 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 whole cloves, and 7 allspice berries. Just going to mix it and bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, add 2 cups of rinsed white rice. Mix it. Now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover it and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Make sure to stir it a few times just so like that you prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom of the pot. And I forgot to mention, but also add a pinch of salt. Okay, so after 15 minutes, our water should have evaporated and our rice should be nice and soft. Of course, just make sure that you check it. And if it's not, go ahead and cover it and allow it to continue cooking. So here I'm going to be adding 2 cups of milk. And if you want your arroz con leche more runny, add more milk along with 1 can of evaporated milk. Just going to mix it and allow my cloves and the allspice berries to come to the top so like that we can remove them. Okay, so once we have removed the berries and the cloves, now we're going to add 1 can of pure pumpkin. Two teaspoons of vanilla blend, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and sweetened condensed milk. Depending on how sweet you want it, then it depends how much you're going to add. I like to add the whole can. And we're just going to mix it until everything is well combined. Okay, once everything is well combined, we're going to turn up the heat to medium and allow it to come to a simmer. Okay, and once it comes to a simmer, our delicious pumpkin spice arroz con leche is done. So now we can get ready to serve. I'm just going to be garnishing with the cinnamon stick and some pumpkin pie spice. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously so delicious, so easy, and under 30 minutes it gets done. And let me tell you that if you love pumpkin pie and arroz con leche, you're most definitely going to love this recipe here. It's perfect for fall. And of course, if you like it cold, you can always allow it to cool down, which is going to thicken up just like this. But me personally, I love my arroz con leche nice and hot. So I am so ready. Hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. The best. And it's the perfect sweetness. Of course, if you don't like it too sweet or if you want it more sweeter, you can always add more sugar. But for me, this right here, it's perfect. You can taste the pumpkin. You can taste, the creaminess from the arroz con leche. It's just delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. I have my super easy and delicious pumpkin spice arroz con leche. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you ever get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.